How to send Bitcoin on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send Bitcoin on Kraken. So in order to send cryptocurrency or Bitcoin on Kraken, first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the fundings icon located in the top left hand side corner. Next page, you'll be taken to the fundings page, and from here, you need to scroll down a bit, and from the left hand side bar, you have to go ahead and tap on the withdraw button. As you click on the withdraw button, next you'll be able to see a pop-up menu right in front of your screen. So from there, you need to select the exact asset that you wish to send. So in our case, we're sending Bitcoin, so select the Bitcoin. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to enter in the address or the wallet address where you're actually transferring and all sort of details, and go through it, and if you're sure about it, then confirm it. And lastly, you'll be notified with a statement that you have successfully transferred or sent Bitcoin from Kraken. So that's basically how you can send Bitcoin from Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.